I've had the car for about a week now, and I bought it with a code P420 on it, which means catalytic converter is having issues. That's fine. I don't have a problem replacing the catalytic converter. As a matter of fact, it's getting a catalytic converter probably Friday. I went ahead and went with a MagnaFlow high flow cat. California is real strict about their emissions, like I've said in previous videos. But I figured I didn't want just a stock catalytic converter to go on a car that's had some things done. And this is a California legal welded-in option. The only reason why I can't put it in myself is because I'm not a welder. So I need to learn to do that. Eventually that will come in time. I'd love to make my own parts someday. That'd be great. So I'll probably be taking it for a drive here in a minute, and after I get back, I will probably do a compression test just to kind of give me a peace of mind and let me know how healthy the motor is. That way it can give me more of an idea of what needs to be done with the car. Hopefully it doesn't need any kind of real refreshing rebuilding or anything. Like I said, it doesn't smoke, doesn't leak anything. I mean, it's clean in here. It's dirty because it's just dirty, but I'll clean it and fix it up and everything. But I don't see any kind of major leaks on it, any valve cover leaks, oil pan leaks, nothing like that. So I'm pretty excited about the fact that it still seems to be great, runs good, and so on and so forth. And catalytic converter, in the scheme of things, it's a really small thing. So, but yeah, like I said, take it for a drive and go from there. Alright, I'm probably just going to take it onto some back roads. There's some longer stretches of road in the desert area here. So the car does have some vibration. I wouldn't doubt that it needs an alignment. Other than that, it drives pretty good. Like I said, I believe it has skunk 2 coilovers, so you know, I may look into probably getting an alignment or so. It's not really that expensive, and I'm sure the next owner would appreciate it. One good thing about being out here is just it's so nice to see all these mountains. Like, I really enjoy seeing these mountains and stuff. I love it being open. It's a lot different from Georgia because I'm so used to all the green and whatnot, but it's not bad, it's just different. Alright, so I'll probably do a couple of first, second gear pulls, maybe one or so with the windows up and one or so with the windows down. So here we go, one pull with the windows up. Really hating the fact that I can't keep this car. I really want to keep it, but I have to sell it. So I may go on this next road and do a pull with the windows down. I don't like to go too fast. It's just kind of my thing. I don't do top speed runs or anything like that. I try to go by the speed limit. That's just, back when I was younger, I used to do the whole street racing thing and everything else, but now I'm just a car enthusiast. I don't need tickets. I don't want to be in trouble, and I don't want to hurt anybody. So, all right. Said this thing has 205,000 miles on it. Original motor. The previous owner really took care of it. I'm very thankful. I'm sure the person that buys it from me will be there very thankful as well. Because usually you get a lot of these things, they've been ragged out and just beat down. This one, the only real issue that it has is the sun damage and the paint issues. Alright, let's check the compression. And it's warmed up, so some things. Both those plugs actually look pretty good. I'm pretty happy about that. They all look pretty good. There we go. First one's a little over 200, which is good. Second one's about 195, close to 200, so. That one's showing closer to 150. So that cylinder is a little low. And that one's about 195. Alright, so far 3 out of the 4 are around 190, 200. The third one makes me a little nervous, but it's still close to 150. Alright, so like I said, at 200, around 195, 150, 155, around that, and 200. I'm not happy with the numbers for cylinder 3. In between taking things off and getting ready to do the compression test, I had to go pick up my daughter and stuff, so the motor cooled down, and I'm willing to bet that's probably why the cylinders are a little low. But I'm going to warm the motor back up and give this another shot. Like I said, I'm not too upset with those numbers, but they're just not what I'm looking for. So. Try this again. Alright, the engine's warm now, so take the spark plugs back out and hit it again. Alright. Here we go again. Ignition separated, fuel fuse out. So the numbers when I did it before: 200, 195, 155, and 200. So. Okay, that's 205.
That's funny. It's like
The noise is funny?
yeah.
You're silly.
The cat.
Like I said, the main thing I'm worried about is cylinder 3. By the way, before I do it, like 205. Alright, cylinder 2. Alright, here we go. Does it sound funny?
Yeah.
Cylinder 2 at 200. So, evidently the car was warm enough. The only question I had was cylinder 3, if it's still going to read 150 or 160, if it just didn't seal right. Aha! Good news. Right at 195, 200. So it just must not have sealed correctly last time. So 195, 200 across the board. I'm happy with that.
That's really cool.
So we'll check cylinder 4 just to be on the safe side. Cylinder 3 was the one I was really worried about. But cylinder 4, we'll see how it goes.
Here we go.
Alright, one last time.
Alright.
Yeah.
Is it
205.
Is
So,
it the same power as
It's like 200, right around 200. 195, 200, 200. So literally almost 200 across the board. I'm not upset with that at all. So it's a lot better than the 150 that cylinder 3 was giving me earlier. Okay. Now I'm gonna get it all back together and sort it out.
Very
So-
much.
I'm assuming that the cylinder 3 for some odd reason just wasn't sealing correctly, but yeah, that makes me feel a lot better. All right, so car has good compression, pretty much right at 200 across the board. Like I said, made me a little nervous about cylinder 3, but once I warmed it back up and all the cylinders ended up being the same, that made me a lot happier. So that's not too bad, especially like I said with the mileage and whatnot. Still pulls strong. Got a call for the catalytic converter, so it will be done tomorrow. If the cat is clogged, maybe it'll free up a little bit more power. That'd be great. Passing smog for the next owner without a problem should be it's pretty much the biggest priority. But yeah, that's probably it for this video. Maybe next video I might have another car. So not really planning on working on Hondas a lot, but the other one might be a Honda. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. But take care. See you later.